carry out this noble exercise. Today we have come to finality, and here we are. Results have been fully and conclusively declared by the helmsman of Benue State Independent Electoral Commission. We are happy that the election was conducted definitely without crisis. Therefore, I can conclude to state that it was heat-free, credible, and transparent. Our journalists, or can I call the entire media gurus that are here, to monitor the final announcement of these results. Our staff, my colleagues, and everyone that is here, we appreciate you for coming. We give kudos to you for your patience to listen to our helmsman to announce the result of the election that was declared by him, which we have judged as flawless, free and fair and credible. We thank you, Lord. Thank you all for coming, and we appreciate God for his message upon our life. Thank you all. God bless you.
The aim of coming here this morning, rather this noon, is for an official announcing of the just conducted 2022 local government polls that was carried out yesterday. And as a matter of fact, the polls were carried out in the entire council wards of the state, as well as all the polling units of the state. I want to believe as the results were returned by the electoral officers that were employed, or rather were recruited by the commission to act in that capacity. Thank you very much. For time exigency, based on the powers vested on me as the Chief Electoral Officer and the Chief Executive Chairman of BSEIC, it is on that premise that I stand to announce the results. That is, I want to avail the classified check of all the results across the 23 local governments of Benue State in an alphabetical setting, beginning with adult local governments. Adult local governments, Honorable Oche James Ogaba of PDP scored 17,772. ABGA scored 5. Labour Party had 1. And Honorable Oche James of PDP was returned elected. Agatu local government, Honorable Peter Joseph Mbede scored 18,954, whereas ABGA scored 38, Labour Party scored 39, and sorry, okay, that's Agatu, right? Oh, that just by the way, okay. Let's go back to number 2. That's Agatu, right? Yes. Honorable Peter Joseph Mbede scored 18,954 and was elected. Apa local government, Honorable Amali Victoria Ochi scored 19,963, whereas the Labour Party scored 29, ABGA 38 respectively, and Honorable Amali Victoria Auchi was returned elected. Buruku local government, Honorable Mose Judith Iyembe scored 49,228, whereas Labour Party had 11, as well as ABGA, and Honorable Mose Judith Iyembe was returned elected. Boko local government, Honorable Tom Isaac Tekuma scored 82,144, whereas Labour Party had 394, ABGA scored 907, and Honorable Tom Isaac Tekuma of PDP was returned elected. Guma local governments. Honorable Uba Mike scored of PDP scored 51,481 and was returned elected. Way East. ABGA scored 18, Labour Party scored 6. Honorable Akwa Agatha Sewisi of PDP scored 9,823 and was returned elected as well. Katsina Ala local governments. Way West. ABGA scored 215, Labour Party scored 64. Honorable Ayandi Andrew of PDP scored 42,907 and was returned elected. Katsina Ala local government. Honorable Atera Alfred Avalomu of PDP scored 80,222 and was returned elected as well. Konshisha local government. Honorable Amile Christiana M of PDP scored 52,010 and was returned elected. Kwande local government. Honorable Oji Onguga Gbande of PDP scored 1,004, 327 and was returned elected. Logo local governments. Honorable To Salome Shiden of PDP scored 76,237 and was returned elected as well. Makurdi local government. ABGA scored 192, Labour Party scored 98, Honorable Tobunde Eunice Kusange of PDP scored 57,360 and was returned elected as well. Obi local government. Honorable Akpa Anthony Ogbu scored 13,832, whereas ABGA scored 1, as well as Labour Party, respectively. And Honorable Akpa Anthony Ogbu of PDP was returned elected. Ogbadibo local government. Honorable Omaru David Abba of PDP scored 14,189 and was returned what? Elected. Oju.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.